The HP MX330 Class 10 U3 microSD flash memory cards are the perfect solution by which to expand onboard memory of mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, action cameras, drones, and more, allowing you to free up space to enjoy more digital content, like apps, eBooks, photos, videos, music, and movies. The MX330 microSD flash memory cards are rated Class 10, U3, with read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second. What's more, U3 technology is ideal for HD photography and 4K Ultra HD video recording, allowing you to capture high-quality content on your action camera, drone, or other mobile device. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for my JideTech PTZ POE camera. I purchased this item to give me more storage space and time. The goal was to replace the 128 GB microSDXC units with something that could record more days of activity. With recording 880 seconds per sector, and taking a JPG photo every 20 seconds, I get approximately 22 days of recording, more or less, depending on how often photos are taken, or how long the recording period is. When the price drops again, I will purchase another one. I had been told that the Jide-Tech camera could only record to 128 GB cards. This one at 256 GB is working just fine.